He chose last time, so I get to choose this time. Donovan chose last time, so I got it on this one. For real. Hey, come on! Here we go, here we go, here we go. We're on the road, back against the wall where my dog's at.
Mitchell on the right side against Hauser. Loses Hauser. 3 ball.
Here we go. Make a miss. We're locking up tonight.
Mitchell through the legs. Into the paint. Gets blocked from behind by White. And now Brown lays it.
At the air one! Who you got? Who you got? CJ! Right! Good, CJ!
Pass stolen by McConnell. Saw it coming. Beautiful feet ahead to Halliburton.
Yep, go ahead. Dunk it! Thank you!
Here's Garland gets free and pizza pies it home.
There we go! There we go! There we go! I'm gonna stop playing with you. I'm big dude. I'm big dude. Come on.
Here comes Tatum. The hesitation, the explosion in the flush. Alley-oop, Obi Toppin, the former Knicks draft pick.
You got a series. You got a series.
Donovan Mitchell lays it home.
Come on!